Good afternoon, Bitcoin trading subscribers. Today is Friday, September the 9th, 2018. And in this quick video, I'm going to demonstrate how small traders can do up to 10 times leverage trading here on onefox.io. Before we go any further, here's a risk disclaimer. I am not a trading advisor, and this is not investment advice, but just a tutorial on how to use a trading platform. How you trade is up to you. So onefox.io is fantastic. You can see that there are 11,000 traders and trades going on all the time on this system. When I go to the trading panel, what I'm going to demonstrate here is that you can trade with very little bits of money. So here I've got just $73 US in this market, and as Bitcoin has been crashing this last couple days, it's coming down to some really significant lows. I may want to take a short position here and see if I can make some money as prices go down, or I may be a contrarian and I want to take a position as prices are hitting these lows, thinking that this is where it's going to turn around. And if I bring in another chart over here, and we take a look at what's going on right now with Bitcoin prices, they're just making another sharp drop. If we zoom out to the 3-day view, we can see that just the last couple days we've seen some huge drops in Bitcoin prices. Went down $1,000, and now it's resting along these lows where it's been trying to go before. So for me, this gives me a very low risk to reward ratio spot to put on a position. And because if it goes down any lower than this, then it's breaking historical levels that I think it's going to continue to go down. I'm very bullish in the market, and I'm going to put on a leverage trade to the long side. So all I need to do is click on long, 10 times position, and I'm going to try a 001 position for $6.39, which at 10 times makes it into a $63 position. So I can create that order, and you see how fast that order has been filled. And there is a little processing fee of 1,600 Satoshi. And then I can watch as this trade plays itself out. I can keep my pointer hovered above this. And as prices change, then I would be able to see this price change as well and see if I'm going into a loss or into a gain. And so for me, if it goes down any further, I don't want to keep it, because it has not proven me correct. But if it goes up from here, I stand to gain handsomely because it's at historical low levels. If we zoom out to the 1-year chart here, we can see how it's been laying along these levels here, and it's come up from those levels every time since it hit them, all the way back to 2017, in November of 2017. So that's one of the reasons that I'm taking the risk of going long right now as prices are coming down to these levels. Of course, it's just as easy to go short. You can click on this and you could type in as little as $6 US up to 10 times leverage, or you can slide this back and say just do 2 times leverage, or even 1-to-1 leverage, so that you're gaining or losing as the price of Bitcoin goes up, and you're not paying financing fees, which is pretty fantastic in this system. So you can really start off small with trading on onefox.io. Tune in next time to see how this trade actually turned out. In fact, I'm going to put on another long trade here as soon as prices break above this support and resistance level here. So if this trade proves me correct and the prices go up and they break above this level, then I'm going to put on another long trade and add on to this correct position. If you've got any questions about onefox.io, please leave a comment below this video and I'd be happy to answer it. And if you have any recommendations of other places where to trade Bitcoin at high leverage, let me know. I'm also keen to practice and test out those systems as well. onefox.io. Thanks again for tuning in. Good luck in all of your Bitcoin trading.